Welcome back to World Bee Day. Today we're going to do part 2, installation. So we're going to install the new bee box we just created. We're going to replace this old one. Alright, so like you can see, this one has had a little bit of damage done to it. It's been out for a long time. So we're going to replace it. This one is more of a natural looking one with, it actually looks like this is bamboo. And if you could see the inside of it, you can't clean this out. That's why I recommend not using bamboo. But if we had put straws in here, we would be able to take them out and use this whole thing over again. But the outside's getting pretty bad anyway, so we're going to replace it. But do you guys also see the different size holes? So it's kind of like we did in the bee box that we just created. Different size holes, so we can get different kinds of bees. Alright, so this is our finished product before I put it up. 2 strings, okay? I fit plenty and plenty and plenty in there, so hopefully nothing falls out. And they're all different sizes like we talked about before. Alright, let's put it up and see how it does. So we don't want it swaying, we don't want it moving, so I'm going to tie it around this just to anchor it down a little bit more.
Bees are very specific about the location of their bee boxes. Keep these specifications in mind when finding a location to put your bee boxes in. Mount your bee boxes at least 5 feet from the ground. Make sure there is no dense vegetation blocking the entrance of the bee box. Place your bee box where there are flowers and where they can find clay or mud. Face your bee boxes where the sun is going to rise in your geographical area. And make sure your bee boxes are in a stable and stationary location.
Alright, I think it looks good. Alright, so now it's your turn to put your bee boxes up. Good luck.